Where is it? Good girl. Go on in. Good girl. Good girl. So, for all of you that think that a dog uses its eyes to find stuff, or it can't actually see it, that's a prime example of a dog not working the wind. The ball was there. It's a face wind now, or headwind. The dog's searching for it, or hunting for it. Can't find it, can't find it. It was literally standing on it. And then right at the 11th hour, she picks it up. So, doesn't matter what colour they are, to a degree, when it's buried a little bit, and it's in that type of undergrowth. She's a young dog, she's what, 11 months now. She's still learning her trade, but that gives you an idea of she's on top of it. She was the wrong side of it, and even when she was on the right side of it, she still hunted with her nose. It made no difference whether she could see it or not. Yeah. Got a hunting workshop on the 21st, and I'll tell you all about it.